Hello from Chic Spaces. We are back today with another new color palette in this beautiful brand new 3 BHK home interior at my home Tarkshya. Limestone work, traditional puja unit, some premium hardware accessories and bar swivel unit is something to watch out for. The luxury styled master bedroom is then a statement in itself. It was very difficult for me to pick up my favorite out of many Chic Spaces, but if it has to be one, then it is definitely the crockery and the bar unit together. Please watch the entire video and leave in comments about your favorite Chic Space. Thank you.